Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the M.M. Patel Way. In this part we are going to study problem numbers 1 to 25 of chapter 33, that is Quick Analysis Shorts. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for other videos on aptitude improvement. Problem number 1. The fish tank shown here is full of water. Without using measuring cup or stick or weighment of any kind, can you remove half of the water? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: tilt the tank to drain the water till the diagonal becomes horizontal as shown. Problem number 2. You have 10 black cards and 20 yellow cards in a box. If you reach for it in the dark, how many cards you must take out to be sure of having 2 cards of the same color? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: to get a pair of same color, you are required to take 3 cards. First 2 cards could be of either same color or different colors, but the third card would certainly give 2 cards of the same color. Problem number 3. If your doctor gave you 3 pills and told you to take 1 at every half an hour, how long would the pills last? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: it will take 1 hour for 3 pills to last. Say you have taken first pill now. After half an hour you are going to take second pill, and after another half an hour you are going to take 3 pills. Naturally, all 3 pills will be over in 1 hour's time. Problem number 4. A snail at the bottom of a well 30 meters deep can crawl upward 3 meters in a day, but at the night it slips back by 2 meters. How long will it take to come out of the well? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: it will come out in 28 days time. In 27 days it will reach 27 meters and then 3 meters on 28th day. Problem number 5. If 7 girls can write 7 pages in 7 minutes, in how many minutes can one girl write 1 page? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: one girl will take 7 minutes to write 1 page. Problem number 6. If I can buy 1 book, 1 pen and 9 pencils for ₹36, find the price of each item. It is further known that 2 pens can be exchanged for 1 book or 4 pencils. Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is: the rates of book, pen and pencil are ₹9.60, 4.80 and 2.40 respectively. Let's see how. 1 pen equals to half a book. 1 pen equals to 2 pencils. I bought 2 pens, 1 pen plus 4.5 pence, that is equal to 7.5 pence for ₹36. 1 pen cost ₹36 divided by 7.5, that is ₹4.80 each. Now you can calculate the rate of book and pencil. Problem number 7. What number gives you the same result whether you divide it by 5 or subtract 5 from it? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, the number is 25 by 4, that is 6.25. To arrive at the answer, we need to solve the equation x divided by 5 equals to x minus 5. Problem number 8. What number gives you the same result whether you multiply it by 6 or add 6 to it? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, the number is 6 by 5, that is 1.2. To get the answer, we need to solve the equation x multiplied by 6 equals to x plus 6. Problem number 9. A large family consists of 7 sons and each one of them has one sister. How many people are in the family? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is 10 people, that is 7 sons plus 1 daughter plus 2 parents. Problem number 10. A shopkeeper had 17 copies of a book. All but 9 were sold. How many copies are left? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, obviously 9 copies are left. Problem number 11. A motorist drove at a speed of 10 km per hour to a certain place and returned back at a speed of 20 km per hour. What is the average speed? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, average speed equals to total distance divided by total time, that is 13.33 km per hour. Let's see how it is calculated. Total distance equals to 2x. Total time equals to x by 10 plus x by 20, that is 3x by 20. Average speed is 2x divided by 3x multiplied by 20. That gives us 40 by 3 or 13.33 km per hour. Problem number 12. How long will it take a half a mile train going 1 mile a minute to go through a 2-mile tunnel? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, time taken at 1 mile per minute equals to 2.5 minutes. The figure demonstrates the process of calculating the distance travelled. Problem number 13. The total price of 2 commodities is Rs 21. One commodity is costlier by Rs 20 than the other. What are the prices of the 2 commodities? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, the prices of 2 commodities are Rs 20.50 and 0.50. Many of us would jump to the conclusions and give the answer as Rs 20 and Rupee 1, which is a wrong answer. Problem number 14. A monkey starts climbing a hill 30 feet high. It climbs 2 feet every minute, but slides down 1 feet every minute. How many minutes it will take to reach the top? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is it will take 29 minutes to reach the top. In 28 minutes it will reach the height of 28 feet. In 29th minute it will climb 2 feet and reach the top. Problem number 15. 10 cats take 10 seconds to eat 10 rats. How much time one cat will take to eat one rat? How many cats will eat 100 rats in 100 seconds? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is one cat will eat one rat in 10 seconds and 10 cats will eat 100 rats in 100 seconds. Problem number 16. A into A is greater than B into B. Can you conclude that A is greater than B? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is no, A and B can have negative values. For example, -4 multiplied by -4 is greater than -3 multiplied by -3. But -4 is smaller than -3. Problem number 17. A and B are positive numbers. Can you conclude that A into B is greater than 1? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is no, A and B can have fractional values. Problem number 18. There were two persons, both were counting passers-by. One was standing at the door and counting. The other was walking up and down the pavement. They counted passers-by for 1 hour. Who counted more? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is they'll count the same number of passers-by. The man at the door will count the people going in either directions and therefore they will count the same number of people. Problem number 19. A man loves smoking, but he hated to spend money. He collected cigarette butts and joined them to make cigarettes, with 6 butts making 1 cigarette. Luckily, one day he found 36 butts. How many cigarettes did he smoke that day? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is he smoked 7 cigarettes. Out of 36 butts, he will make 6 cigarettes. Out of 6 cigarettes, he will get 6 butts and make 1 more cigarette. Problem number 20. The following 20-digit number is to be reduced to a 10-digit number by removing any of the 10 digits so as to form a largest possible number. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is the largest possible number is 5 5 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Start by removing small digits from the left hand side. The digits removed are 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 and finally 1 2. Problem number 21. The ratio of ages of A, B and C is 1:2:3. The total of their ages is 36. 9 years old D joins the group. What will be the ratio of ages of A is to B is to C is to D? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, the new ratio will be 6:12:18:9, that is 2:4:6:3. The old ages are 6, 12 and 18 years, totaling to 36. New ages are 6, 12, 18 and 9 years, totaling to 45. Problem number 22. Three brothers A, B and C earns in the ratio 4:5:11. The total earning is 2,500. How much additional amount A should earn to make the ratio 6:5:11? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, to increase his ratio, A should earn additional rupees 250. A's old earning equals to 2,500 divided by sum of 4 plus 5 plus 11 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 2,500 divided by 20 multiplied by 4. That gives us rupees 500. The old earnings of three brothers is rupees 500, 625 and 1,375. The new earning will be rupees 750, 625 and 1,375. Problem number 23. A snail at the bottom of a well 200 meters deep can crawl upward 8 meters in a day, but at night it slips back by 4 meters. How long will it take to come out of the well? Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, on 49th day he would come out of the well. In 48 days the snail would crawl 48 into 4, that is 192 meters. On 49th day it would crawl another 8 meters and come out of the well. Problem number 24. A sum of rupees 45 is to be made up with 50 paise and 25 paise coins. The total number of coins is 100. Find out number of 50 paise coins. Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, 50 paise coins are 80, which equals to rupees 40, and 25 paise coins are numbering 20, equaling rupees 5, and therefore total will be rupees 45 with 100 coins. Problem number 25. Rupees 525 is to be distributed to 700 men and women. Each man should get rupee 1 and woman 50 paise. Find out number of men and women. Now stop video and solve the problem. The solution is, there will be 350 men, they will be getting rupees 350, and there will be 350 women, they will be getting rupees 175. The problem is solved considering the following conditions. 1 multiplied by number of men plus 0.5 multiplied by number of women equals to 525, and number of men plus number of women equals to 700. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for other videos on aptitude improvement.